Hi, Matt here from Crooks the Cabinet Makers. Last year I was working on a basement conversion, and although I didn't have enough time to do a complete video series, I've got some footage that I've put together and I'd love to show you. So without further ado, let's crack on. At the moment I'm working in a basement. This thing is a beast. So what we've got to do now is take out this old oak beam, cutting these flooring joists back to fit a new steel. Complete monster task. 40 minutes later we've got that joist out, and now we've got to do is mark and cut where we're going to put the steels in. I've finally got all the joists cut so we can fit the steel in. Nice wedge of cable, chop into somewhere. You get that? So these are the stairs behind me. So my mate Rob, a steel worker, showed me this one. Steel runs on steel. So that's about as far as I can get it. So I need to get down the stairs nice and steady. So we've got the beam up, 3 of us, not bad going. So I've got the steels up, joist hangers in, 5 metres of steel, and we're in with millimetres to spare. So I hope you enjoyed watching how we put the steels in the ceiling. You can see that, you know, even at such a stage, the level of accuracy is really tight. The tolerances are really tight, and that's really good, fun thing to do, and physically challenging, but also very rewarding when it's done. Thanks for watching. Stay safe in the workshop. Stay safe on the building site. Have a nice day.